So what's the history behind Azure? How did we come to develop this service?
Yeah, it's quite an exciting one because actually it was very much customer driven. It was from a large enterprise project back in 2019, tens of thousands of devices that have been rolled out, and the customer asked a very simple question, part of kind of our analogy, which is if only I could, and they asked the question, how do I get all the backup if only I could grab all that data? And at the time, there was no sort of service or offering out there that really provide that data to a customer. So what we looked at doing is how do we build a platform from the ground up and a service that could really effectively build that data, that operational data for customers in case they needed it. But actually then because of that problem that we were originally solving around service assurance and providing complementary service to the cloud networking platform, is that we've also been able to solve other business problems when it comes to design conformance, compliance around configuration drifting, and really looking at how do we help businesses with their adoption of cloud networking. It's been a really exciting space.
What does the customer need to give us to spin a service up, or at least a proof of concept?
Really simple. They just need to add in a read-only service account into their Meraki platform, so an email address effectively.
The feedback we've had, Ali, is really positive,
okay.
Both from customers and third-party partners and the vendor themselves. Why? We're educating customers on the importance of backing up the data.
Mm-hmm.
You know, the data that is stored in the Meraki Cloud is the customer's responsibility,
yep.
both for managing the security of those backups
mm-hmm.
and obviously to prevent risk. You know, it's not just configuration data that we back up. You know, things like floor plans
yep.
in the Meraki dashboard.
I want to have to do those again.
Yeah, well, we don't know. Demonstrating and the accuracy of where the access points are located
yep.
is critical to make continual improvements.
Mm.
But also, you know, if you're going to do a refresh, the last thing you want to do is pay for another survey. So again, if that data is secured and backed up permanently, then we can mitigate that. But I think, you know, in summary of the service, we're complementing the Meraki platform.
Absolutely, keyword complementary.
And as a Cisco Meraki partner, you know, CA Labs is all about how we build complementary services to enhance the services that our customers enjoy from the Meraki service.
And it comes back to really giving businesses that peace of mind
yeah.
and delivering more good days.
Yeah.